So let's get it. You know, a little snow day, no school. Might as well learn about the area, you know. We're somewhere in the Stanton Valley area, or what do they call it, bro? Shenandoah Valley. Shenandoah Valley. Good day to get lost, you know what I'm saying? We were gonna ride up 33 to West Virginia, but the roads would probably be too bad up there. So we just kicking it around. The roads aren't that bad either, so. Up, Slack. We about to put that Frontier in a mud hole, but he ducking. He taking forever to get ready. A little trail ride on a snow day. Nothing else better to do. Hey, hey, I gotta pick his truck up first though.
We about to hook a snowboard to the back of the truck.
New Yoda. Ain't a new Yoda, but it's fairly no miles. Just breaking it in, to be honest with you. Back, we're driving in some type of dam right here. Then we're about to come out near a lake. But I had to pee like a fucking... Look at that. We're on our way to West Virginia. It's confirmed. I am now following the Jeep, and let's get it. Let's see how the day turns out. You know, we got an F-250 behind us. I'm pretty sure it's a diesel too, and it has like a 3-inch lift. The Jeep in front of me has a 3-inch lift on 33s. I have a 6-inch lift on 33s, and yeah, let's get it. Some of this fresh snow. Vehicles been up here today though. It's fresh tracks. I think it's a lake somewhere in there too, over in the hole. But yeah, we just seen some deer too, about 6 to 8 deer. And hunting season just ended, so. Yeah, let's do it. So we officially made it to the top. That's my boy. All right, what's up next?
I think we're gonna go up to the top.
Let's do it, bro. They said we're going to the top, so look at that badass Jeep. Woo! Snorkel too. It's badass. Look at that badass Jeep. They said we about to ride to the top now, so let's do it. I'm down. Still got gas. Forward. Oh, 2 wheels. 4-wheel drive lot. Let's get it. That's the F-250 I've been talking about. Thanks for keeping up though. Hey! That's the Jeep. Yeah, We kept him in two-wheel drive to spin it around. So yeah, he got it. Oh yeah. Now we're coming off the mountain. I finally put it in the low gear, the lowest gear I have. And I'm tapping my brakes. The highest point we reached was, I think it was like 4,400 feet or something like that. And I think it's one of the tallest points in Virginia, to be honest. It's called Shenandoah Mountain. I Googled it. And yeah. And do me a favor, go follow me on IG at OO Yo. That is DUBLE_O_Yo. Because it's a 2000 model. But yeah, that's a badass Jeep. And here he goes, hitting the trail. If it's not bad, the Yoda's going today, boy. It's a cool Jeep. I think he put it back in 4. Let's get it. One thing I've noticed, it's kind of like snowboarding, is you make small S's. You keep it in like D2 on the way down, and when you see, look, first I'm in the middle, right? Picking up speed, picking up speed, picking up speed. Make a small S, let the snow slow you down. See that? Drop back speed, pick up speed, pick up speed. Make another small S. Make another small S. So that's a little tip, a little pro tip. Just learned it. Like you snowboarding. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Lift and Ride. A lot of videos to come. I got a lot more videos from my last trip at Bosco Beach. So like and subscribe to Lift and Ride. Let's get it. He was talking all that trash. He didn't even hit the full shit.